Morning students, now our next topic is malware. We have studied till now about computer virus. Now the next topic is malware. Now malware is the short form of malicious software that has been deliberately designed to access private information from the computer. Uh, that is a type of software which is designed in such a way that it is installed directly into your computer, and it is slowly spreading into your files, and it is corrupting your data. मतलब वो जैसे ही आप कोई गेम वाली साइट पे चले जाओ, वहाँ पे आपने कुछ डाउनलोड किया तो साथ में आपको साइड में बहुत सारे एडवर्टीजमेंट दिखेंगे, तो वहाँ पर अगर आपने क्लिक कर दिया बाय मिस्टेक तो कुछ ऐसा बैकग्राउंड में डाउनलोड हो जाता है जो आपको पता भी नहीं चलता, एंड दैट इज़ योर मालवेयर. ओके, इधर आपको एग्जांपल दिया है, दैट इज़ द नेम्स ऑफ द मालवेयर: बैडवेयर, कंप्यूटर कंटामिनेंट, ransomware, spyware, adware, scareware, etc. That are the names and different forms of malware. Now the next, spam. Now what is spam? Spam is referred to unwanted messages, mostly advertise a product. Now this is like, if you're seen, it generally is, this option can be seen in mailing system. Okay, so whether it is your Gmail, Yahoo, whatever it is, in that you are having a spam folder. So what is there in that spam folder? Unwanted mails might be regarding advertisement, regarding anything, even cars also, even credit card also, even regarding to the banks also, anything which is not required by you, then that everything is referred as spam. Now reasons for spreading viruses. First one, just for the sake of fun. Okay, so somebody will just, they are not going to harm you, but when they get installed in your computer anyhow, in any way, it is just making some of the way of sounds which is not common, like you have not heard before. So that is also just the sake of fun. To steal credit card information and make purchases in the owner's name, to gather sensitive information, to spy on the users, to extort money from the users by blackmailing them, to take revenge, to steal money from ATMs and banks, to gain access to passwords, to steal virtual memory, to cripple a particular computer network, to sell fake computer applications due to international political disputes. So reasons कि वो spread कैसे होता है, then इसका रीज़न है that whenever you are entering any data regarding your debit card or credit card or bank details on any kind of website, first see that you are aware of those websites, they are regularly visited by everybody, such websites are safe to use, then only enter these details. Otherwise they can steal that information and can use it and remove your money from your account. So same way, many other ways are there in which they steal money from the ATMs and banks also directly with the help of this. Then they gain access to passwords. When you enter passwords, you can see they show star. Why star? Because nobody else can see. But they have such type of softwares where a virus is also a type of software which makes visible the passwords are visible to them, and so they can steal. So that is why it is said that whenever you are visiting any kind of website, first see that they are the original ones, genuine websites, not the fake ones. Okay, so be aware of those things. Many people can call you and take the details of your cards also. So that is everything. You can say to steal credit card information and make purchase in the owner's name. So these things can happen, and this is possible only when there is a spread of virus in your computer. Okay, now antivirus software. Now you have heard of any antivirus software? So there are many such softwares which are available in the market, which you can purchase and get installed in your computer, so that you are away from the viruses which get installed directly into your computer. So here, in order to secure your computer files, you should use antivirus software in your computer. The users can protect their computers by installing an antivirus program. An antivirus program protects the computer against all types of malware by identifying and removing computer viruses. So such antivirus softwares helps the computer to be secured enough from all the types of viruses. For example, antivirus software is Quick Heal is there. Okay, then many such softwares are available in the market, which you, and that are also see that should be genuine softwares which are giving you this safety, and that also you have to check this. Okay, so this helps you to be safe from these viruses. Okay, so here they have given you examples: Avast antivirus, AVG antivirus, Kaspersky antivirus. They have given you the symbols also, the way they are shown their logo. Okay, so these are the types of antiviruses which you can download. Okay, now that's it for today. Next two topics I'll send you in the another video.